Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Bank of America step by step clearly. Open your Bank of America app or website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Review your recent transactions for a clear understanding of your spending habits. Next, look for the Budgeting Tools or Money Management feature. Click on this option to access budgeting resources. Select Create a Budget or Set your budget. Define your income sources and input the amounts you receive regularly. Then, categorize your monthly expenses into fixed and variable costs. For fixed costs, include items like rent, utilities, and insurance. For variable costs, consider groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Estimate each category based on your historical spending or recommended limits. Once your categories are set, review your total income against total expenses. Adjust your budget as needed to ensure you're living within your means. Set savings goals by allocating a percentage of your income to savings. Utilize any additional features, like spending alerts or progress tracking. After finalizing your budget, save your progress and review monthly. Regularly check in on your budget to make adjustments as necessary. Leverage insights from the Bank of America platform to enhance your financial decisions. Celebrate small milestones as you stick to your budget and reach your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.